Hi everyone, I am back for a tidbit tutorial type video today. This is just to show you how to make the template that I have for the inside of the Mickey and Minnie 2018 split panel cards. It's really easy to do. You will have to have already made a card in order to make the template for the inside. So you're going to go ahead and put your card together just like I showed in the videos. And then you'll make a template off that card that will, pretty much line up for all your cards. So all you do is get a piece of cardstock. It doesn't matter what color, but you need it to be 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 or 4 by 5 1/4, depending on what your inside mat size will be. Then you're going to need the mat, just a, scrap piece of cardstock that measures the same size as the black mat on the outside of the card. So this measures 2 7/8 by 2 1/2. So you just need a piece that's that size. You're going to take your card and we're going to make the template off of the card that you've already made. So you're going to go ahead and open up the card and you're going to line up your inside with your piece of cardstock. So you're going to take that extra piece of cardstock you're using as your template and you're going to line it up on the inside of the card with your mat that's already on the inside. Then we're going to close the card. Okay, then, see, mine's not lined up very well. Let me redo that. So after you line it up correctly, like so, hold on, come on. Alright, so you line it up. Make sure that when you close this down, it doesn't move too much. Now all you're going to do is just take a pencil and you're going to trace that side and you're going to trace that side. That's going to give us our boundaries on the sides that we don't want to stamp right here. Otherwise it's going to poke through on the front. So if it's not something that you want to be there, I wouldn't stamp there. But you've got basically this whole section here, you've got the top and the bottom that you can stamp with. Now the way I got mine to cut out to pretty much be the template was take this mat, your 2 7/8 is going to go horizontal and your 2 1/2 is going to go vertical. Now all I did was just take this piece and I'm lining it up top and bottom to this mat that's already on here. So you might have to stand up or lean over, just kind of eyeball that it's the same height as the top and the bottom. Okay, then you're going to hold down right here in the center. We're going to take this and we're going to just kind of pop up that piece and then we're going to kind of pop up that piece. Okay, so your cardstock is still sitting here. Now all you're going to do is put like a little tick mark up on the top and a little mark on the bottom so you know that that's the top and the bottom. Okay, now we don't need the card anymore. We're going to move that aside. So you just want your piece. These are what my lines look like. So here's my sides and then here's the top and the bottom of the mat. Okay, now all you're going to do is line this piece up here with your top and your bottom, and then of course on your sides. So it's a little bit of eyeballing as far as the top and the bottom piece, and then your side piece you just want to center back into where you have already traced on the sides, and then all you do is finish the lines. Go up and then go over, down. So you're basically just going to trace this rectangle since it's not completely squared. So there you have that. Now you can erase these little marks here. Doesn't really matter. That's not a very good eraser. That one kind of sucks on there. So we'll just erase that. And then all I did was I took my craft knife and my ruler. Now you can put this in your cutter if you've got one that is similar to the Stampin' Up! Cutter, not the rotary ones. You can't really do this in a rotary. So all you're going to do is just follow these lines and you're going to cut this out. So there's one. There's two. So you've got that. There's 3 sides. And there's 4. So you've got this piece. You can use it as scraps to punch or stamp or whatever on, but then you've got your template. So then your template, when you make your cards, should line up like so. And then all you do is stick it on the inside of the card. So then when you get ready to stamp your sentiments, or if you want to write your greeting message, you can just kind of hold this in place right inside the square. You just need to make sure that you don't go on the sides. So you could actually go as far as, you know, slicing this all the way to the edge almost. Otherwise you're going to be stuck with 2 pieces. I mean, but this template works perfect for all the cards that I've made. So there you have it. There is how to make your 2018 Mickey and Minnie split panel card template. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Really simple template making. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it makes sense and you understand. If not, like I said, leave me some questions in the comments or message me or whatever and I'll go from there. So, enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!